It's been the first week since we released the application, only on Android for now. We've got first 10 users from 5 different countries, and I'm really happy that we got just 10 users so far, because there is a few errors that we didn't expect that will happen, that are related to different versions of Android, that are related to different countries, that are related to some usability that we didn't expect that will happen, and it's also related to some third parties that doesn't really work every single time. So I'm super happy that over the past week we had only 10 users, because I was able to actually talk to every single one of them who had any error, and it was 5 of them. I don't know, maybe that's number, it's like some kind of unique that we have 5 countries and 5 different users experience some errors. So yeah, I'm super happy. By tomorrow all of those errors should be fixed, at least that's what was promised by Ravin and by Chris. I know that Chris is right now finishing all of his tasks, and Ravin said that he will finish tomorrow, because he was trying to fix some of them today, but he couldn't for some reason. So I told him, like, don't worry, like, if you cannot solve something today, just try it tomorrow, because it's pointless to do something over and over again. The same, looking at the same code, the same screen for a few hours, it just doesn't lead to anything. I've been there, I've tried it so many times. Just walk away from the laptop, and the next day coming back, and after 15 minutes everything was like super clear, solved. Except of that, I've met as well with Surendra and Nikiuka. They met for the first time today. It was their first meeting together. So we went through what Surendra has to do by tomorrow, what Nikiuka has to do by tomorrow, and we also went through his experience, her experience. So they met, they chatted for a second about who they are, what they've been doing so far, and also we were talking about the next few months, because over the next, well, already 2.5 months, I won't release the first business product, and that's why Surendra joined for us, and that's why Surendra joined, so we can actually finish all of those backend stuff, and Nikiuka can implement all of that in the front end, and I can start onboarding those businesses and helping them, solving the problem of creating the really big business models. So that's the goal over here. We are halfway in the product, so we have just 2 sections. Surendra said that by the end of the month he should be able to finish all of the APIs, but I know how it is. Like, we think one thing, and then we need to test it, and make sure that everything works, and then we can actually release it. So I've planned everything the way that by the 8th of December we should be done and ready, with big gaps, with big time for like testing and checking, with all of the holidays that's coming in. So if we won't manage to do it, I will be really, really disappointed, because it's so much time to actually accomplish all of that stuff. So yeah, I've met with Shivam and Chris, with Ravin as well, but yeah, nothing special. We really were going through the same stuff that we were talking on Friday, so it was really short meeting, and like I said, I'm waiting for their deliveries, and I'm trying every day to do some small social media now and there, and try to like talk to people and just engage and be present over there. So once I actually go full on with it, I will have something out of that, because that's the social media is for, I guess. Unfortunately, we are living in the exchanging world where nothing is for free, and you need to put something to get something. And right now I'm putting my time, I'm putting my efforts, I'm actually making some friends, which is kind of nice, to later on get the same back, like get feedback, get some efforts. Yeah, so we'll see whether it will work, how much it will take. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and I see you tomorrow.